Asaya Subic Bay Resort. Yun na daw, yun. Pwede ba kita isa-isa lang? Hey guys! Hey po yung isa sa pinakamaganda sa tricycle. Okay, dance na kayo. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yun! Si Faye, si Boom, at saka si Miles, at saka sige, go! Yan, ika na. Tama na yan. Ay, friends, guys, ito pala siya si Boom. Yung taga-boom, boom, boom.
Taga-boom, boom, boom, boom.
Okay, eto siya. Yun. Gwapo, no?
Ay, saan banda?
Ay.
Ay, nandito pala. Ay, nandito siya. Sabi ko na eh.
Ay, may sirena.
May sirena. Sabi ko na, totoo may banyera. Ay, may sirena.
Picture lang na picture. Wala naman yung mga tao dyan eh. Ayun. Soar high. Soar high.
Magandang may ari para talaga. Bakit tayo ba natin katrabaho?
Sino? Yan, ika na. Tama na yan. Oh, so lovely here.
Papasarapin muna kayo. Medyo matagal na. Maganda. Ako muna ganito lang. Oh, aso lang.
Now I'm going back to the hotel room because we have another activity that's about to begin in 30 minutes. Yeah. Kaya na to di ko music tamay, kaya may baligad tamay.
Na, nay man.
Ay!
Yeah, meron po hindi ko kaya kaya. Kaya maligo kayo?
My family's from Cuba. I make you feel right, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight.
Hoy, grabe kayo ha! Ako taga kuha! Yan, di ka na. Tama na yan. Ang sarap naman, no? Eto, so waiting for the sunset. I hope it will come sooner before I'll get out in here. So take a look at my feet. That's full of sand. So I just wanna put in here and relax a little bit. So I hope this is good. Feel the earth. Sarap dito. Ang sarap dito. The next thing that I will do here is to get something to put on my ear. So I'm gonna pick one. Hope nobody will get mad at me for picking one flower. Look at the swimming pool, guys. Okay. So let me just put this one over here. Guys, sobrang ganda dito. I just don't know. I would love to be back here again soon. Yung hindi about work, because we're here right now because we have a team building from our company. So, okay. This is it. Hello guys. Hello. What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I would love to invite you here. It's very nice. Oh, look at my attire. I'm just wearing slippers, and yeah, I'm about to wear my swimwear, my swimsuit that ang dami pang tao eh. So maybe tomorrow na lang yung super sleeves sila, then I will do it. And look at the hotels. Right. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. Here we go, guys. So, no, it's not here because we're going to a room. Yeah. Most definitely. There, over there, here. So, guys, pabalik na po kami sa room namin. Eto, maling-mali talaga yung kasama ko. So, okay, we'll just understand her. Kasi medyo hindi kami sanay dito sa ASEA eh. Bago lang kami dito. Medyo sinisipo na ako. Umulan kasi tsaka puya. Alam nyo naman. Pero, no worries. I will get some rest later. Get some sleep. I miss my baby Courtney. Naiwan ko sa bahay. Gusto ko na umuwi. Yun. Goodbye muna sa dagat. We'll just be back here sometime soon. Eto, papunta na kami sa room namin. Going up. Tapos nag-shower ng sister ko, ako naman ang susunod. We need more light. Okay. Medyo nauuaw at nagugutom na rin ako. Because I took a little breakfast lang kanina. So, dito na kami guys. We're back in our room. Okay, time to get in. Tapos nag-shower ng sister ko, ako naman ang susunod. We need more light. Okay. Medyo nauuaw at nagugutom na rin ako. Because I took a little breakfast lang kanina. Bye, Isaiah.
Checking out.
See you soon.
Manguli na may back to normal, back to reality. Well, says the world. Enjoy, have fun. Life is good out
See
there.
you soon.
Also.
Thank you for watching, guys. Mama, chuk chuk.
Yeah. Bye, love, love.
Oh, that